light now that we can actually see everybody.
I don't know you. I don't know you.
Okay, and there's the police, and there's the other police that, yeah, there's the other police that pulled us over.
Flash your lights so it looks more dramatic.
His light's brighter than yours. Oh, there it goes. Oh, God damn it.
It's like you're a star, Carrie. Dance.
Okay.
Dance for them.
So yeah. No, it's just a jump to the left and then a step to the right. Put your hands on your head between your knees and tight.
Like, that's our
and it's a public judgment.
I'm trying to sleep. Let's dance to Ricky Ricky. What game do you guys play?
Resistance 2.
You have to play the gang if you're hanging out in the park.
Wait, a gang?
Gang?
He said we have to.
Please don't tell me it's a gang cook game.
Name our gang.
No, gang.
Oh.
Oh, gang.
I thought you meant like bean.
Well,
I don't want to be in a gang though. Gangs, you have to like beat people up in order to be in a gang.
We don't have to have tattoos, do we?
She's afraid of needles.
I can't be in a gang.
Does gang stand for group of adolescents and guys? I don't know what it means.
Where did you get the A? Adolescents, the N.
Guys. N.
Yeah.
Guys. Adolescents. N. Why are you filming me? It's memorable.
Well, at least we had a good run of just sitting over there.
Yeah.
It was like 2 hours.
I can't see the police officer.
So
You can see the vagueness of his face
They're hiding behind their lights.
and the light.
Yeah.
No.
Hi, Karen.
You have no idea what I look like.
No.
Yeah. Nice hair, man. I'm too young to die.
Oh, there he goes. I can see him now.
He's like,
Hey, do you know who Kirk Hammett is? Yeah.
Do you know who Chuck Norris is? What?
Do you know who Shut Up is? I met Chuck Norris one time. Yeah.
Really? Did he roundhouse kick you?